IT luggage bags. Our story. For nearly 40 years we have focused on designing luggage that meets the travel needs of our customers. Our focus has and always will remain on our founding principles: design, innovation, quality, and value. Back in the early days, we started as luggage importers. At that time luggage was bland, boxy, and generally black. Boring! And this is when the vision was born. What if we designed it ourselves? We could approach suitcase design a bit differently. Sure, it's functional, but can't it be beautiful yet affordable too? What if we started with color and inspiring designs? What if the breadth of our offering gave customers real choice? What if we did all this but through clever design, development, purchasing, and excellent supply chain relationships, we could do this at a reasonable price? And as they say, the rest is history. Luggage is history. We start with the customer and their journey. What if you need to shop a lot on this trip? We invented the first expandable hard-side suitcase. What if your case tips over when you put your laptop in the front pocket? We design wheels which offset the center of gravity on laptop cases. What if that tour operator only lets you take 15 kilograms of luggage for a 2-week trip? Well, that's why in 2007 the world's latest wide-handle suitcase collection was born. What if I've got winter gloves on and can't fit your hand into the suitcase carry handle? Yes, we even think of these absolute minute details too. Some may say we dot the I's and cross the T's. We design with the traveler in mind and rigorously test every creation to ensure it stands up to the challenges that real life and real journeys throw at them. Our mission: luggage that makes travel simple.
Every case we design includes carefully considered details and features, resulting in luggage that makes travel simple. Every handle to zip pull is meticulously created by our UK in-house design team and quality tested by our dedicated inspection team to ensure our suitcases proudly remain the trusted luggage companion of millions of travelers globally every year. Patented orbit-shaped infinispin wheels are the ultimate in 360 degrees maneuverability, and their clever design help reduce potential wheel damage.